We are here with Doris and David. Hello, hello. You ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do this. Mazda 3, what year?
2011.
Let's check her out.
Oh, wow.
Dang.
Bam!
Wow. That's amazing.
See, I don't do the work. I just go take a break, and gremlins come over here and they replace them with new ones.
Wow, that is amazing. That looks brand new.
That do look brand new.
I think they match.
Yeah,
Well, that's what I want to
they
hear, brand new.
absolutely match.
Yeah, basically what I do is I put the compound on, and then I come after it and put the polish, and that kind of gives it that extra pop, shine.
It's definitely shining.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think I accomplished the mission.
Yes, you did.
So,
Absolutely.
okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on the coating, and the coating dries in a few minutes with this rain, and then it'll cure in 24 hours.
Okay.
While that time's going on, you can certainly drive it or whatever, you know, it's no big deal.
Okay.
But that way it's coated and protected, and they say it lasts up to a year, and it's a coating that's made exactly for this, you know, good quality stuff. So if something happens, please tell me, but you know,
Amazing job.
so I want to thank you. Yeah, this one was one of those where I said, well, yeah, I know I'm going to definitely kick butt on it, but then when I finally finished, I was like, damn. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
that's
smacked that
beautiful.
one a little farther out than I thought I did.
Yeah.
So anyway, yeah, beautiful car, beautiful paint job. Your new baby, and now the headlights match the car. So
Yes. Definitely.
so we're good, and I guess I'll just sign off then.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.